Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time design team project. And today I did something a little different. I normally don't use the front of a paper pack, but today I did, or earlier part of this week I did. I used the front of the Fun Birthday paper pack, and I'll show you the image right here. Anyway, so I cut that off, and I'll show you how I covered up that part right there in the paper. But when I say I love how this card turned out, I really do. So this was the other part of the paper, and I might keep that. Who knows? I might use that. And then let me show you what else I used in the paper pack. I want to say this little birdie right here. It's either this one. Yeah, this little birdie right here is what I used. And I used the die set to cut out that. And then I also used this paper here. As you can see, a part of that is gone. All right, and then I also used her alphabet dies. And I just spelled out a word on there, which is whoa. And so I'll show you that in just one moment. And then from here, from this set, I used It's Time to Celebrate, as well as the coordinating die, which should be right here. And so that's from the Joyous Birthday stamp and die set. I also used, I want to say the biggest rosette. However, I used it as like a layering piece. So, and that is called the Pretty Scallop Rosette dies. And then from her Bunch of Fun Circle dies, if you don't have this set, you really need to pick it up. But Bunch of Fun Circle dies, I want to say I used this one right here. Let me show you that card. There we go. Love how it turned out. It is a little bit bigger than an A2 size card, so I'll just put it in like a 5x7 envelope. Or I have other size envelopes so I can pop it in, but I used this circle to cover up that other half of that circle. There goes that whoa. And I used just some black cardstock. Actually, I want to say let me show you real quick. I used this paper right here, which came from her candy corn paper pack that she had for Halloween, and used that for the black. I also heat embossed It's Time to Celebrate. When I say that embossed so good, I don't know for sure if you can see it, but it really embossed good. And there goes that rosette that I put right there. Added some enamel dots, and yeah, and I thought that turned out so cute. That paper back there was perfect. I was able to use every single pattern there that was shown in that, so I really love that. I didn't finish the inside yet, but I will before I hand it out. So I love how this turned out. So I'll have the links of everything that I used down below, as well as my design team sisters and My Creative Time. Of course, all of the links that you will need to go and purchase your items today. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.